All right, today we're going to show you how to quickly build a Performance Max campaign. It's the PMax campaign in Google Ads. Just going to go to New Campaign. We're into Google Ads, so ads.google.com. You log in, go to Campaigns, hit the blue plus sign. I'm going to go pretty quickly because a lot of people have done this before. I just like to hit Create Guide Without Guidance. Click on Performance Max. We're going to go for, well, we'll have to double check these. Let's check the conversions. Tag inactive. Okay, well, that one's just because we just launched this, so we don't have any active tags. We're going to collect phone call leads and submit lead forms. All right, so let's click on Continue. Want to name it something that you can remember. I like to do the name of the company in case I'm looking at my account through my manager account and I just see a bunch of campaigns. I start with the company, the type of campaign, so PMax campaign, the month, so it's going to be January 2024, and just something like that, and it could be like leads or whatever. Click on Continue. PMax goes everywhere, so it's going to show up at a lot of different places. I don't want to bid for just new customers. I want to get the people that know us as well. We're going to target Canada, but there's just specific locations, so we'll definitely do Toronto, and then there's one other area, but I forgot, so let's just leave Toronto for now. We got English. Automatically create assets. I don't really like this one because it just does sometimes a little nonsense. It's kind of like AI. It's great, and then there's a couple mess ups, so you got to kind of watch yourself. All right, so the ad schedule I'm going to switch up. I don't want it all day, but I do want to start early, so let's start at like 4:30 a.m. I know these developers get up early, stay up late. You know, they're looking for ways to save money, make more money, energy efficiency. Get bigger loans, better rates, all that stuff. So then I want to take them to the landing page, which I just want to go over here. We've got a tracking number installed. We've got a chat widget installed. If you're looking for a chat widget on your site, just reach out. I can help you out. It's really cool. This one actually requires you to put in your mobile number and then an email message, so it automatically sends you an alert to your phone because it basically changes a text into, or changes the chat into a text, which is really cool. So we've got all this really cool information. We've got an embedded form from the system as well that'll take automation, collect the information, send them an instant message back, send them a text, hey, you know, looking forward to booking your energy compliant audit now, or schedule a consultation, and then you agree to the terms so that way we can text them and everything. So anyway, this is the landing page. It's already ranking super well, so I'm just going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back to Google Ads. I'm going to paste that in this final URL. Right? We want to get people there. Phone calls, we definitely want to track them. Let's just, you know, obviously use that one so people can just click that number and call immediately, which is really cool. And then these ads will show up everywhere from YouTube to Gmail, search, display ads. So a lot of, and they already bring in suggested ads, so we'll just go ahead and review those. Make sure that they look good. So some of these ones they won't fit, but like here we'll make it work because I like that symbol. We can do that one. We can basically do that one as well. So let's select those three ratios. For this one, the same thing. We should be able to collect quite a bit. So this, I don't know why that one's not working, but let's do that. And we'll just do that one for now. Let's see what else we got. I guess that's the same one. And let's do one more like this one. It's a big asset, nice, new looking, cool homes. We can basically use every dimension there. And we'll just hit save. So now you'll see that the images start to show up. We don't have any headlines yet, but you can see kind of what we're promoting. The logos, we've got a logo already, so let's, oh, I don't see the logo. So we'll need to download that. Let's go ahead and quickly get over there. Typically I store everything in a drive and I put it in a folder. So I go to the client folder, internal assets, logos, and basically we'll double check, make sure this looks good. All right, that's awesome. So we'll download that one, River Developments. Oh, well, we want the actual River Consulting because there's two different branches to this company. So we're going to do River Consulting, which that one's good, but it's not square, so we're going to look for the square one. Let's double check here. Nope, not that one either. There we go. All right, so let's download that one. Let's go back to Google. So yeah, there's a lot of assets that you want to kind of have handy before, even a YouTube link, or else Google will just make up a video, which I don't recommend. So you go to upload here, upload from computer. I'm just going to find my download section here. And it didn't work because it's an SVG. All right, well, that's a bummer. So let's use this one first. We'll just do the one long one that they have the option for. Obviously, that's not going to work, so we'll just do this one. And we've got River Consulting. Yeah, we'll skip the little part. So I'd have to have the designer kind of rework that, which I'm not going to do it on this video, but we'll do it later. So let's pull this up again, and since it's an SVG, I'm just going to take a screenshot. I'm just going to do a square screenshot, and that'll be good enough for now. Let's go back to Google Ads. Grab the logo again, so edit, upload. I'm going to look at my screenshot section now, not the downloads. I do the screenshots straight to the desktop. So let's do add more. We've got a file. We could go to the Google Drive as well, but sometimes it's just easier and faster to find the screenshot. Now, something that's important, no matter what you're doing, is that you want to put your name, logo, and then I throw a keyword in there, River Consulting, MLI Select, because this is the program we're going after. So that way Google knows, you scan the image, and it might show up for those searches. Who knows? We're ranking really well with this. It's barely been launched, so we're super excited. All right, so we've got the ratios that look good. Now video, let me show you the video real quick. Just uploading this, added a nice, super good description here. We've got some hashtags. I've got a YouTube optimization checklist if you want. So if you just send me a comment, add a comment, and just say you want the checklist or whatever, that's fine. Added the phone number. Because this account's so new, you can't actually add a link, an exterior link, but when you do have an account that's existing, make sure you add the HTTPS and the link to your website within the first 2 lines, because the description shows, and that will give people a reason to go over. And if there's a call to action, a landing page, and you can collect some information, then you'll have more leads. But you want to have a nice big descriptions. You want to name the file properly, so this is the keyword we're going after. So check that out. Again, I have a YouTube optimization checklist. Just send me a message. I'll grab your email and I'll email you to it. It's free, no big deal. So let's go back over here, copy the YouTube link, go back to your Google Ads, and then videos. We're just going to say search YouTube, and we're just going to add this in here. So this is a really cool video. We just launched it, did some captions, all that stuff. So there's really cool AI tools to help with that. We got to add some headlines and everything. So some of these are going to be there for us, right? But we want to talk about the benefits and stuff. So like maximize. So we'll do like MLI Select program, and then let me look and see what I got for headlines and description. So typically you want to do the research first. You want to get the messaging, the approved headlines, approved descriptions, all that stuff ready to go. So when you're ready to do this, it goes very quickly. So we can talk about efficient financing. So I'll just add that one. I'm just copying from our list. I have a little spreadsheet of some of this other stuff. So MLI, green and affordable, eco projects, go MLI. Yeah, just add a few headlines here and there. And then we want to talk about the benefits again. So there's, let's see, get favorable terms. So favorable investment terms. Yeah, so if you go green and you invest through this one in Canada, you're going to get better terms, you get energy efficient buildings, and you can get qualified for way more money if you work with this particular company because they've been doing it for so long. So let's do a couple of descriptions. We've got long headlines too, so it's basically the description. So we've got act now, explore MLI Select, achieve sustainability with MLI financing, apply today. And then there's a few shorter descriptions. So we can just try to do something like get favorable terms with MLI select. That'll be a little bit shorter one. Again, just check the character count. Call us today. Yeah, just have a call to action. Again, you see that these will start showing up everywhere, which I love, right? So we'll do River Consulting. We'll do site links. We've got to get those going. Let's see if we have any set up already. No, so I got to do those. Again, there's like so much stuff to do for one ad. So we'll skip that. I'll go back to it later. But you want to add site links, and you can go directly to certain pages. So whether that's services, contact, reviews, directions, any of that stuff. So use. Now, signals are important. You can add keywords. So I'm just going to throw some keywords in there that we have. Basically, we use those as tags in the YouTube as well. So let's put in energy efficient financing, energy modeling, MLI select, amortization. We're just going to do all kinds of stuff for these ones. But so let's add that. Oh, I don't think I can do it all at once. We'll just start a few here. So wait, oh no, search terms. Sorry, let's do the search terms. MLI select, CMHC. These are what people will be searching for, and we want to show our video in front of these people or ad. So energy modeling, real estate development, green building, stuff like this we'll want to show up for. But mainly MLI select rebate program. Oh, we'll do MLI select rebate, and then we'll do MLI select rebate program. Again, these are like super good keywords right now. We don't have a ton of data. They don't have a massive list, but I would highly recommend uploading your entire customer list to Google. You only need emails or phone numbers. But yeah, it just helps Google go after the people that you want to go after. So at some point, we'll have different segments. So it's like people that have been visitors here. So if we have a ton of website visitors, then they'll start remarketing, right? So we'll show the ads in front of people. If you've ever been to a website and then an hour or so later you're on Facebook and you see an ad from that, that's just remarketing. So super awesome. We're going to do a custom budget, so we're not going to go too strong out of the gate. We're just going to start with $10 a day. And hopefully we can show the client some interaction there. We've got the conversion set up so we can track the form fills, the calls. So yeah, everything's in place. We're going to launch this campaign. Oh, we got to do a couple assets. Let me see what we got here. Oh, that's all right. We've got already those written out. So reduce premiums. Oh yeah, there we go. This is a really good one. So basically gain access to enhanced loan to value ratios and favorable interest rates. All right. Call now. Call us today. So yeah, we'll have this video popping everywhere. I'll build out the site links later, but just want to stop there. Let's see if we can get it published. There's always some issues with this whole publishing thing, but just keep going. Looks it's ready to go. Publish campaign. And then again, I'll add the site links later, but we don't really have any site links. We just want to drive them to this page. So at the moment, you don't really need it. If you have multiple pages, then I would definitely highly recommend it. So again, thank you. My name is David. I'm with ClickTrack Marketing. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about PMax campaigns. Double check your locations, double check the ad schedule, and then really look at the data. Give it a couple of weeks, but look at the data all the time. See what search terms you're showing up for, what keywords you're coming in at, how the ads look. Are you getting remarketed yourself? You should be, because if you're going to the website and then on YouTube or in your Gmail, even on other display sites, you should see ads, and hopefully the people do as well that you're looking to meet with. All right, thanks again. Talk to you soon.